When I first heard about OLLI, a friend was telling me about a class they were taking that was wonderful, relatively new at the time, I believe. I hadn't heard of it. A college for seniors, no grades given, but lots of interesting subjects. And it was exciting to come and pick and choose and learn and meet new people.
OLLI Adventures takes you to places you probably haven't been. I've been to the lighthouse in St. Augustine, the zoo, places that maybe I've been once or twice but never have learned about in the depth that OLLI will bring you toward.
I was teaching a class in my church, and there was a woman in the class, and she said, "Joe, you need to think about OLLI." And I said, "I don't even know what OLLI is." And I started to make some inquiries about that, and we developed the first course, for me to teach, and I loved it. I've just enjoyed it very much ever since.